Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to retouch skin using Photoshop. So as you can see, this image has a lot of wrinkles and blemishes on the skin. So to reduce those to make them vanish, we can use the spot healing brush that Photoshop provides us, and let's see how to use it. So to start with, we are just going to add a new layer over here. I'll let you know the use of it in the coming video. So this is the layer that we have added. Let's rename it. So I'll just name it as skin skin retouch. And then using this layer, what I will do is just go to this tool that looks like a small band-aid or something. So let's just tap on it, and as you can see, this control bar over here appears, and this is the size of this brush. So I'll keep it 100 for this tutorial. And then we have type as content aware, create texture proximity match. So for retouching the skin, we are going to use content aware tool, and we are just going to check this sample all layers, so that uh, because we are working on this layer, we are going to the check this sample all layer option, so that when we do any editing on this background layer, it will get matched to this layer, and then you can do further adjustments. So to start doing it, we have one more thing that is called mode. So right now we are on normal mode. We have different modes as replace, multiply, screen, darken, lighten, and etc. So in this particular case, we can use normal or replace. In some particular cases, we might use multiply or darken. But for this case, I'm going to use normal. So let's just start working with the image now. So let's say if I want to remove this spot over here, so I'll just tap on that. It will create a black circle over there, and as you can see, the spot has vanished. Same way with the other areas of the face as well. So over here as well. So wherever you see spots or blemishes that you don't want on the person's face, you can just simply tap on that area or maybe just drag it, so that you can clear the spots or blemishes in that area. And as we have selected content aware, it will make the skin look the way it should be looking like, because of the content aware effect. So we are just going to select every single part which we don't want to be highlighted in this image. You can even remove the small parts of hair in the eyebrow. So it's totally up to us what we can do with the spot healing brush and how we want to retouch the photo. So I'll just keep it like this for now, and let's see what we have done. So let's just uncheck this layer. So I'll turn off the visibility, and as you can see, these are the parts of the image that we have uh, kind of taken out, we have cleared out using this spot healing brush. So these are the small areas that we just cleaned out, and they are being displayed over here. So the main use of this using this new layer is that I can just go to this slider and slide the opacity to around 0 if I don't want those edits, or I can just keep it to halfway around 50 or 70 to show those wrinkles, to show those uh, spots, but not highlight them as they were earlier. So I will just make it 100 for this particular image. You can always experiment on different images and different settings. So well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.